everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's a Mexican Spanish song. The song code is Quitere Palante. I know, by Daddy Yankees. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start from here. You're gonna open your legs, then go into your right side. So it's like 1, open, 2, and 3, and 4. Copy? Then 5, and 6, pull chains on 7, push on 8. Alright, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, go 5, and 6, pull chain 7, push on 8. Good job. Next, move to the center. 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3, 4. Side on 5, 6, 7, close on 8. One more time. 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, wait, 1, 2, 3, down on 4. Open on 5, and lift on 6. Turn around 7, open on 8. Roger that? Alright, again. So from here, 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, down 4, 5, and lift 6, 7, and 8. Copy? Next, side 1, 2, 3. From here, right, left, throw it to the back. One more time. 6, 7, and hips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You go to the front on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, this is away 1 and 2. One more time. 1, cross, left going back, then right to the front, and 2. Copy, then front isolation. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wrong count. Wrong count. Alright, 5, 6 to the side, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. This is 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then up on 7, and 8. What is it? I forgot. Alright, let's try one more time. From here. Let's combine from here. Start from there. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, cross 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Up. 7, and 8. Good job. Next. Slide 1, cross 2, 3, close on 4. So from here, step your right to the back, hips 5, 6, 7, and drop on 8, and hit yourself. That's it. One more time on last part. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, and 6, 7, and 8, hit it. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. Ready? All of it. 5, 6, 7, and wait, I forgot. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, slowly 5, and 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, side 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, go, 5, 6, 7, 8, let go. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today. Please don't forget to subscribe with my channel. Alright? Share it, like, and comment. Alright? Share the love. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.